Hello, welcome to hashtag 10-minute collage. Each and every 8th and 22nd of each month, I give you a collage. I always say that, don't I? And I have prepared the back of my card already. As usual, I have some bits and bobs that I want to see what I can do with. I just took out some pieces to see how inspired I can get. So I would like to put some of this tea stained paper on. Just quickly do this. And let's see if we can get it. We've got enough space to put it on here, but it doesn't matter if I don't have enough space. I can always put a little bit more onto it, but it looks like we've got it. Yeah, we've got it. Lovely. I'll just cut this bit off. The weekend has just gone so quickly and it's back to normal. Back to the drawing board. But we give thanks all the same. Alright, and then I want a piece of this. Put that like that. I like the shape there. Yeah, so it's not all on the page. And then we've got a piece there. We put a piece and a piece here, a small piece. Go. Good. Let's put one of these. They are so pretty. This is lovely. Put that there. Let's cut these away. Let's put one of these here first, and then I'll see where that can go. These, beautiful. I like the one with the green foliage. Oh, this one's nice with the green foliage as well, but I think it might be a little bit too big. On top there. No, I think this one's nicer. that there, and then that. Very nice. Lovely. Right, I like that. Let me put some, let's see what I've got here. I want to put a butterfly. Oh, what about a mushroom? That's nice. That's nice there. I like the white bit around it, it just breaks up the text. And I like a butterfly. I think that would look nice there. And let's do a flower. I thought about these already. I know what I'm using. No. Should I put that there? Yeah. And let's do a word. Today is the first day I've got everything planned out. Longevity, I like that. Longevity, I like that. And peace is happiness. That is it, my darling dears. I love that. Really love that. Go. That is lovely. Love that. So much different textures. And we will close this. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.